How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the best trading channel on YouTube. My name is Gev. It's Monday, August 28th, so let's talk capital. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a great weekend. It's a beautiful Monday so far, so let's get down to work. Basically, what happened over the weekend is a whole bunch of nothing, right? Last week, pretty slow weekend brought us no news. And as we sit today, markets, except for SP 500, are basically just trending sideways here. So let's start with the S&P 500. So finally today, we managed to close at a new all-time high. So big news there. S&P 500 finally, after the March lows, after about 5 months, we're finally able to set a new all-time high. So that's a big positive right there. As we spoke in my other videos, we did say that once we get a break above the all-time high, basically 3,400, I'm going to be in on a long position going to the middle of the channel, and that's basically where we stand as of now. I've been in since 3,400. I'm hoping we get a pullback to about 3,400 again, maybe a retest of the previous all-time high, give another entry. I'll take a second position and ride this up and double up the money. As of right now, I don't think that's very likely, but if we do get that back to 3,400, I'm going to go ahead and get back in. As far as the rest of it, everything is in the green today. So, I mean, Amazon at 3,300, Apple at 500, Netflix kind of lagging, still under 500. Google passed an all-time high now. I think set a new all-time high. We'll check on that right now. Tesla cracking 2,000. Elon Musk moving up to the fourth richest man in the world title. Good for him. Kudos to him. Nvidia at 500. PayPal almost at 200. PayPal getting a nice $30 move from the area that we were looking at. We were looking at this guy at about $172 to $179. So nice $20-$30 move here. And that's basically it. Let's go ahead and check in on Google real quick. I'm very curious. Yes. So Google, yes, last week on Friday and today set a new all-time high. So on Friday set a new all-time high, and today again setting a new all-time high, coming off a very nice bullish weekly close. So Google's primed and ready for an explosion here, and as you guys can see, use the gap as support like we spoke about, right? We talked about how the gap turns into support, and that's exactly what we did here. And that's about it for stocks. Again, if you're watching the S&P 500, you want to make sure you get in if we see 3,400 again. If not, I mean, it's kind of gone now. You kind of just got to wait for retest for re-entry. Okay, gold, still watching this uptrend. Hopeful that we get another touch on this uptrend somewhere around 1905, 1919 area. I mean, any touch on this uptrend, I'm going to be buyer. That's basically looking like a double bottom if we get a touch and we can get a move back up here to the higher ends. But as of right now, nothing really going on, just trending sideways, looking for direction in the market. The weekly close was not bullish, I'll tell you that, but the beautiful thing is we are holding above the moving average. But again, that's not a bullish weekly close, but yeah, just waiting on a daily situation, hoping on a tap on a downtrend, I mean on the uptrend again, so we can be buyers here again. And most importantly here, Bitcoin, guys, I know a lot of people are worried about the recent price action breaking down below the ascending channel that we've had here. But if you guys remember, I mean, we had almost identical situation going here, right? Where we finally did break under the channel. But not only did we come back into the channel, we used the 21 moving average, and more importantly, this uptrend, right? I've said this in a lot of my videos. If crypto is in a true bull trend, it will respect the hell out of the 21 moving average right here in the red. Okay, so this is one thing we have to be absolutely careful of. If we're in a true bull trend on Bitcoin, okay, yes, it will break market structure as in an ascending channel type of stuff, but it will ultimately hold 21 moving average as support. Okay, so this is a very pivotal test for Bitcoin here. If we're able to hold this 21 moving average as support, we're going to be able to be ready for a push up to 13 and 14 and higher. If we're not, then first stop 50 moving average sitting at 10,600. Okay, but the way this situation is looking like right now, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this channel because it's been invalidated. The way this current situation is looking, we are holding the 21 moving average. We're holding the $10,600. I mean the $11,600 level, and we're setting higher lows. Okay, so this is looking bullish still until a breakdown. Okay, we can't be bearish. Okay, like I said, we're holding the 21 moving average. This is extremely pivotal for Bitcoin. The weekly close, not bullish, not bearish. This is just an indecision candle. It's to be expected. I mean, look at where we're trading right now. We're trading in a range where we've literally not had bodies of candles close, and now we've had three bodies close in this range, right? And the last time we had bodies close in this range was we went straight to 20K. This is why we're struggling here. Okay, so with that being said, uh, big time number to look for Bitcoin is any break under 11,530. You want to close there. Okay, and realistically you would want a, yeah, 12, you want a 12-hour body to close at least 11,530. If you don't get that, that means we're not bullish. Okay, I mean we're not bearish, excuse me. So unless we can get a candle close there, we're not bearish. Okay, it's just plain and simply put, we're just not going to be bearish until we get a candle close there. Okay, and S&P 500. If you see 3,400 again, make sure you enter. That's going to be a beautiful entry for a magnificent long. And that's about all I got for you guys. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you guys hit that like button if you like the content. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next video.